For any assignment-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, or reach us at https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Problem Set 1. This problem set will introduce you to using control flow in Python and formulating a computational solution to a problem. It will also give you a chance to explore bisection search. This problem set H as 3 problems. You should save your code for the first problem as ps1a.py, the second problem as ps1b.py, and the third problem as ps1c.py, and make sure to hand in all 3 files. Don't forget to include comments to help us understand your code. Collaboration. You may work with other students. However, each student should write up and hand in his or her assignment separately. Be sure to indicate with whom you have worked in a comment at the start of each file. Before you start, read the style guide. Read the style guide sections 1, 2, and 3. Part A, House Hunting. You have graduated from MIT and now have a great job. You moved to the San Francisco Bay Area and decide that you want to start saving to buy a house. As housing prices are very high in the Bay Area, you realize you are going to have to save for several years before you can afford to make the down payment on a house. In Part A, we are going to determine how long it will take you to save enough money to make the down payment given the following assumptions. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. 1. Call the cost of your dream home total_cost. 2. Call the portion of the cost needed for a down payment portion_down_payment. For simplicity, assume that portion_down_payment equals 0.25, 25%. 3. Call the amount that you have saved thus far current_savings. You start with a current savings of $0. For assume that you invest your current savings wisely, with an annual return of R. In other words, at the end of each month, you receive an additional current_savings *R/12 funds to put into your savings. The 12 is because R is an annual rate. Assume that your investments earn a return of R equals 0.044%. 5. Assume your annual salary is annual_salary. 6. Assume you are going to dedicate a certain amount of your salary each month to saving for the down payment. Call that portion_saved. This variable should be in decimal form, i.e. 0.1 for 10%. 7. At the end of each month, your savings will be increased by the return on your investment, plus a percentage of your monthly salary, annual salary/12. Write a program to calculate how many months it will take you to save up enough money for a due WN payment. You will want your main variables to be floats, so you should cast user inputs to float. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Your program should ask the user to enter the following variables. 1. The starting annual salary, annual_salary. 2. The portion of salary to be saved, portion_saved. 3. The cost of your dream home, total_cost. 4. Hints 5. To help you get started, here is a rough outline of the stages you should probably follow in writing your code. Retrieve user input. Look at input if you need help with getting user input. For this problem set, you can assume that users will enter valid input, e.g. they won't enter a string when you expect an int. Initialize some state variables. You should decide what information you need. Be careful about values that represent annual amounts and those that represent monthly amounts. Try different inputs and see how long it takes to save for a down payment. Please make your program print results in the format shown in the test cases below. pythonhomeworkhelp.com Test case 1. Enter your annual salary. 120000. Enter the percent of your salary to save, as a decimal. 0.10. Enter the cost of your dream home. 1 million. Number of months. 183. Test case 2. Enter your annual salary. 80,000. Enter the percent of your salary to save, as a decimal. 0.15. Enter the cost of your dream home. 500,000. Number of months. 105. Part B. Saving, with a raise. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Background. In Part A, we unrealistically assumed that your salary didn't change. But you are an MIT graduate, and clearly you are going to be worth more to your company over time. So we are going to build on your solution to Part A by factoring in a raise every 6 months. In PS1b.py, copy your solution to Part A, as we are going to reuse much of that machinery. Modify your program to include the following. 1. Have the user input a semi-annual salary raise semi_annual_raise as a decimal percentage. 2. After the 6th month, increase your salary by that percentage. Do the same after the 12th month, the 18th month, and so on. Write a program to calculate how many months it will take you save up enough money for a down payment. Like before, assume that your investments earn a return of R equals 0.04, or 4%, and the required down payment percentage is 0.25, or 25%. Have the user enter the following variable S. 1. The starting annual salary, annual_salary. 2. The percentage of salary to be saved, portion_saved. 3. The cost of your dream home, total_cost. 4. The semi-annual salary raise, semi_annual_raise, pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Hints. To help you get started, here is a rough outline of the stages you should probably follow in writing your code. Retrieve user input. Initialize some state variables. You should decide what information you need. Be sure to be careful about values that represent annual amounts and those that represent monthly amounts. Be careful about when you increase your salary. This should only happen after the 6th, 12th, 18th month, and so on.